Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to properly shut down your Mac. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful Mac tutorials. Let's get started. The easiest way to shut down your Mac is by using the Apple menu. Go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple logo. From the drop-down menu, select Shut Down. A confirmation window will appear. Here, you can choose to reopen apps when you log back in, or leave it unchecked if you prefer a fresh start. Then, click Shut Down again to confirm. Your Mac will now begin turning off safely. Now here's a quick tip. Before shutting down, make sure to save any open files and close your apps. This helps prevent losing any unsaved work. Alternatively, if your Mac is frozen and not responding, you can press and hold the power button for a few seconds to force it to shut down, but only use this as a last resort. And that's it. That's how to properly shut down your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.